This is from Edexcel GCSE past paper questions on group frequency. There are 4 questions. We're going to look at all of them. So group question 1 on group frequency. Bob asked each of 40 friends how many minutes they took to get to work. The table shows some information about his results. So the table gives you time taken in minutes between 0 and 50. And the total number of friends were 40. So we say total frequency is 40. So out of these 40 friends, we don't know the exact time each of them took to get to work. So that's why we call it group frequency. So these three friends have taken between 0 and 10, but we don't know exactly how many minutes they've taken. So what we can do is we can only find an estimate. That's why the question is asking for an estimate. So if you took the first one, to find the estimate, what we do, we work out the mid intervals, right? Mid intervals are the time in between the lower bound and upper bound. So the number between lower bound and upper bound, because they are small numbers, we can easily find it. But the way of doing it otherwise, you just set the two numbers, lower and upper bound, then you divide by 2 and you get 5. For the second one is 15. For the third one is 25. For the fourth group is 35. Then finally is 45. So to get the estimated total time, what do? We just multiply the frequency by the mid interval. So 3 times 5 is 15. Next one is 120. Next one is 275. Next one is 315. Next one is 405. So the total time taken is 1130 minutes by 40 friends. So to find the mean, what do? We divide the total time taken by the total number of friends, which gives you 28.25 minutes. So we'll round it, says 28 minutes. Next part of the question, state the model class interval. So model class is the most occurring. So if you look at the biggest number here in the frequency, 11th is the biggest number. So 11 friends took between 20 and 30 minutes. So the model class interval would be 20 less than or equal to 30. Find the group containing the median. Median is a middle number. We have 40 people here. So the median must lie around the 20th person, 20th, 21st person. So let's look at the 20th data. 20th and 21st data lies in which group? The first 3 lies between 0 and 10. Next 8 lies between 10 and 20. So from here to here, 11 friends lay up to 20. Then the next 11 is between 20 and 30. So up to 22 is up to 30. Therefore, the 20th person must lie in this window. So the group containing the median would be now same as the mode, which is 20 less than or equal to 30. That's question 1 done. Let's move to question 2. Question 2 is similar. The table shows information about the number of hours 40 children watch television one evening. So again, the frequency is 40. You're going to find the mid-interval. Mid-interval for the 0 and 1, you can add it and divide it. 1.5, 0.5, 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5. So estimated number of hours, total number of hours, which is estimate again, you multiply it. So multiply all of them. So that's 1.5, 12, 17.5, 35, and 54. And then you get 133.5 hours in total. So that's for the mean. But the first question is asking you, find the interval that contains the median. Median is the middle number, 40 children, so the 20th and 21st data, where they're going to lie. This is 3, this is 11, up to here is 19. So the 20 and 21 should lie in here. Therefore, the median group is this, which is 3 less than 4. Estimate the mean, we already worked it out. So looking at the working out earlier is 1,335 total divided by the number of children. That will give you 3.3375. So therefore, the mean number would be, we'll round it, 3 hours. Let's look at the next question. Question 3. Question 3, same approach. They want the mean, model class, and the median. So again, we can find the mid-interval and we can work out the total height. That's 5. You add these two together, divide by 2, 15, 25, 35, and 45. Let's multiply all of that. That's 10, 120, 225, 245, and 180. Let's get the total, 780. Here the total is 30 plants. So to find the mean, divide the total by the total frequency. So it comes to 26. The mean is 26. Model class, the most occurring is here. That's the most occurring because 9 plants have height between these two. Therefore, the model class is greater than 20, less than or equal to 30. Median. We have 30 plants. So we are going to look at 15, 16. This is the median. So we know the first two is up to 10. This is 10 up to 20. So after 10, this is the 10th one. This is 19. So 10 to 19 is this group. We want the 15, 16 that will lie in the same group. Therefore, the median will be the same as the mode. Why is your answer to part A an estimate? We know why it's an estimate because what we did was to find the total height for individual group, we went for the middle number. We found the midpoint of the group. So we need to explain that for a mark. So we need to say to find the total marks, the midpoint of the group interval was calculated. Therefore, it is an estimate. Next question. Marcus collected some pebbles. He weighed each pebble. The group frequency table gives some information about weights. Frequency is given. So we need to find the total of that. Hasn't been given here. So if you add it, that's 80. Let's work for the mid-interval. And we work out the total, estimated total. 50 and 60 says 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Let's multiply. 55 times 5, 275. 65 times 9, 585. Next one is 1650. Next one is 2295. Next one is 1615. We add it. 6420. Estimate for the mean is estimated total 6420 divided by the total frequency. That gives you 80.25. So you round it up, 80. Write down the model class interval. Model is the most occurring. So it's 27. So that's the model group. 80. Weight is greater than or equal to 80 less than 90. Find the class interval that contains the median, 80. 80 is the total frequency. So we're going for the middle one will be 40th or 41st in between. So that's 14. That's 26. This is up to 26. After 26 to 53, this ends at 53. The 40th lies in this group. Therefore, the median would be same as the model group. Why is your answer to part A an estimate? Same answer what we said earlier for the previous question. Total weight was calculated using the midpoint of the group intervals. So that's the end of that topic. 4 questions.